guys, it's Diana Kennard with RE/MAX Ultimate. I'm here today with Melissa and Tammy Garwood, a mother-daughter team, owners of Redesign. Today we are talking home renovation. So let's get started. What do you enjoy most about rehabbing a home?
I'd say it has to be the transformation. Seeing something that is so nasty and so dirty and transforming it into something that is beautiful and functional and just a home that you know somebody is going to love and enjoy.
I like adding value back to something. So taking something that's broken down, left, this house was vacant for 4 years, didn't have a home, didn't have a family to love it, to take care of it, to put the life that a house really should have in it. Whether it's a house or a piece of furniture left for the garbage on the side of the road, you can take it, you give it a second life. Kind of like a rebirth. A house that is welcoming is going to bring a family into it that wants to take care of it.
I think there's a ripple effect. You're saving a home and you're saving a neighborhood. And you just don't even know the ripple effect of that. What is your least enjoyable task?
Demo.
Yeah.
Without a question.
It's dirty, it's gritty, it
you
is
don't
back-breaking. You leave wounded every day, physically and emotionally.
Yeah.
Oh, the hours spent trying to tear a place apart. And drywall. I absolutely hate drywall. Okay, tear down all the old nasty walls, but then you gotta put them back up, and it's a daunting task, and sanding.
And we're not
think it's, and we aren't. We're hiding that out this time. But you think you've got it just right, and then you paint it, and you're like, what if I could have done that better? But drywall, it's dirty, dusty, and sticky. Oh. And insulation.
Yeah.
It's itchy.
Oh, yeah. I hate that stuff, but we need it.
It's a demo.
Okay.
And incorporates all that. The inner drive to just keep going and want to continue to do that because we know we're working towards and what we really want out of it.
What is something you weren't expecting when you got started, or really anywhere along the journey? Something just really surprised you?
My capacity for work has grown. My drive and determination to do something that I love, even when I hate doing it, is somewhat surprising.
Yeah, it's kind of strange because really we've been doing this 4 years now, 4.5 years, and we've had to sacrifice so much time, and then that sometimes that takes you away from your family, that takes you away from spending time with people you want on the weekends. It's your weekend time. It's supposed to be when you relax and when you kind of kick back, and that's when we're diving in. Persistence is a big one, that you keep coming back And a lot of times you continue to come back to a dirty, smelly, hard place that nobody really wants to be in for a long time.
No plumbing.
But being motivated to do it. Yeah, no plumbing and no water, no lights for a long time, no air. So you're really putting yourself into a pretty desolate environment for a while, but you want to do it. It's really strange. And then at the end of the weekend, you're like, we need more time. I want to keep doing this. It's really hard to put a break on it. The resilience and the motivation and drive have been surprising, and I still want to be doing it this weekend and next weekend and the following if we weren't done with it. And one day we'll miss it and say, okay, well, what are we going to do next?
What is the craziest thing that's ever happened during a rehab?
I feel like every house brings its own crazy thing. I think it was one of the funniest, most ridiculous moments of my life.
Yeah.
Because I was laughing and crying
And screaming.
It was Saturday night in the winter, dark. We're working in the bathroom, tiling the surround. My mom was out cutting tile and bringing it back and forth, and I hear a sound that can only mean one thing. Something very bad is happening out there, and I kind of already thought, oh gosh, there's some kind of creature. And I walked out, and she said what it was, and I couldn't bear to look at it because the thought of it. So I'm like peeking behind her.
And a snake, and Ashley released it. That was pretty crazy.
That was crazy. And thankfully it was a small one. It was probably like that long.
Yeah.
It was a snake, might as well been a boa.
The neighbors probably thought somebody was dying.
Like our first house we bought, there was a squatter up in the attic. We were attacked by a pit bull. And survived that. There's a lot of not for the weak. It's very adventurous.
Yeah.
And that's I have a weird personality that loves oddities and absurdities and adventure. If things are going too normal, I get a little bit bored. Trying new projects that you would have thought, oh, there's no way I'm going to be able to hang cabinets and get them straight before they close and don't fall off the wall. The thought of that before doing it in our previous house was so daunting to me. Throughout the process, there's so much newness, but also things that you're like, oh, that wasn't so bad. We figured it out. So it's a very empowering process because you're like, oh, got this. We can do that. And each time it takes a little less time because you get better at it. It's empowering. So that's one of my favorite things about it too, because it shows you that you are capable of a lot more. And then doing it with your family just makes it such a valuable, it goes a lot deeper. There's so much value to it and so many memories made. It's awesome to be able to work alongside your mom, alongside your sisters. Our whole family chips in. It's been a blessing, in my opinion, to our family.
Yeah. Very empowering.
Yeah.
Thank you, ladies. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions or comments, leave them below, and we'll see you later. Bye.